Hello everyone and welcome to another Pokemon trading card game online video. In this video we are going to be opening 100 packs of the 4th Sword and Shield expansion, Vivid Voltage, and there are a lot of exciting cards in this set. Managed to get the codes quite quickly because shout out to my friend Hattie who got a boost box and gave me her codes, so managing to get this video done quite quickly this time because, you know, 100 code cards, it takes some time to get that amount of codes. Anyway, I'll stop rambling and let's open our first pack of 100. There's some exciting cards in the set. We have amazing rares. I can't remember how many of those there are, but they're usually in the reverse slot. I think my physical collection I've done quite well. Check out my booster box opening, free pack blister, elite trainer box. It's a really cute Vaporeon card. I think I say it all the time. The artwork again is on point. Beautiful, beautiful artwork in this set. And you know, there is the first Zarude card as well, so that would be a nice hit. Set goals, I don't really have any. Oh, there's a holo Zygarde. I don't think I really have any, apart from obviously the shiny Pokemon, the gold rare cards, the gold cards. And another holo already. Got Tornadus. Nice stuff. What else? Everybody wants the big, you know, rainbow Pikachu card. I didn't realise that was so sought after. Oh my gosh! No way! Shiny Galarian Obstacle. Ah! Done. Okay, thanks for watching. There it is. Okay, well, I would have loved to have that as a real card, but okay. Where was I? Yes, I got Pikachu VMAX, but apparently a lot of people are after the rainbow one, so I guess that's another thing we could. Oh, full art Aegis/V. That's a beautiful card. That I do like the colours on this. That's a very, very nice card. Wow, we are doing really well with this. So Pikachu, the full art Nessa and the rainbows are in this set, so that would be a cool pull as well. I did get a full art Alistair, which I was pretty happy about. Another holo, we got a Duraludon. All holos with the line effect. Oh, Milcery, which is new. I still hate that it's called Milcery, to be completely honest. But there are 203 cards, I want to say, with this set. I can't remember. I need Joe here. There's a Togekiss. Pulled a few too many of those in this house, but still a hit is a hit. Last few new cards still. Yanmega. Have got that one. Oh, I love that Eevee card as well. That's so pretty. So pretty. Let me know in the comments what your favourite artwork is from this set, because there is just so much. There we go. We got Ness and Alistair. Oh, Orbital V. Number 20. Good stuff. We did see, talking of Alistair, in the latest episode of Twilight Wings, on the Pokemon YouTube channel, we got to see his face. We saw his face, which I think's a big deal. Yeah, I think that's pretty cool. Oh, I need that one. I don't like, I know it's the perspective, but I don't like his nose on that. It just looks a bit weird. I'm always paranoid when I record these videos that I'm actually recording. Quags, I love the derpy face on that card. It's brilliant. But I still have like all these codes to put in. Oh, that's green screen. I see. I still got a massive stack of codes, but I wanted to make sure I definitely just had 100. That way I didn't have to worry about counting down and making sure it was only 100 packs. So I only put 100 in. Are you kidding me? What? Shiny Oranguru. I got them both? Are you kidding me? Why couldn't these be real? Unbelievable. We got, that's it. That's both the that's, the odds of that happening are wow. Oh. I can't complain for the rest of this opening now. Like, I really can't complain. That's disgusting. That is absolutely disgusting luck. Oh, I love that Clefable art, so cute. Ah, right, okay. Imagine if you pull another one though. It won't happen. The odds of that happening. Then again, the odds of pulling both of the rarest cards in the set. Going back to again, that it really sucks. Oh look, it's an amazing rare Zashir. Like, you can't tell on TCGO, but the energy costs are hollow as well, which Joe pointed out to me, which I think's a nice touch. But I love the whole watercolour rainbow explosion thing going on. It's so cool. And a hollow Genesect. But yes, it sucks to get, you know, cards. You want playable cards on this, and you want the collectible ones in real life. But you know, here we are. That's disgusting. Absolutely disgusting. I can't believe that. I think they've got all the evolution cards now. Very, very, very cute. And there we go. Oh, it's the Ampharos V. I don't have this one. I do really like Ampharos. It's one of those Pokemon that's grown on me. It's carried my Gen 2 playthroughs quite a lot. Always have one in my team. Alchemy as well. Very nice. I'm in shock right now. Ah, look, nothing new in there. But it's bound to happen. In 100 packs, I don't think there's a way you can get every single card, so... I mean, even if you open a case of Pokemon cards, there's a chance you're not going to get every single card in the set, so... Ooh, a full art beauty! If you go first, you may play this card during your first turn and draw 2 cards. Yes, because you can't play supporters on your first turn. I forget that. Okay. I think that's, you know, I think Beauty's quite a playable card for sure. I am so out of touch with what's going on in competitive at the moment. But Players Cup 2 is coming up soon, if not when this video goes live. My mum's trying to phone me. I'm so glad I muted my mobile phone. She'll probably start ringing the home phone in a minute. Oh, a Rainbow Orbital VMAX. What is this? This is the best digital opening I have ever done. What is my luck this morning? Although it kind of beats the luck I'm having in real life, because yesterday our TV decided to not work anymore, so I guess this house needs a bit of good luck. Oh, Hollow Leon. I don't actually think I have that one, so... Oh, maybe I do. I can't remember. And a couple new cards. Mimichi. That was the first Mimichis? Okay. Oh, that Charmander art's quite cute as well, actually. Reverse Jolteon and a Flareon. Now my mum's actually sending me a text message. My mum does not send me a text message. She, like, it's really weird because I don't keep my phone on the internet because you just waste the battery. I've got the internet in front of me. I don't need my phone to have the internet as well and have notifications twice. But for some reason she won't text me. She'll only send me WhatsApps, but she's actually sent me a text message. So I hope everything's... Oh, I don't have this one. Look at the splash. Look at this big splash on that. Look at that. It's 200 HP. Stage 2. The power creep is real. And I've been looking at a lot of old cards recently. I mean, a lot of people have. And the power creep is just... You know, you used to get, stage 2 for 60 HP back in the day. Like... Unbelievable. Electrode. Are you kidding me? Gold Heroes medal. What? I'm in shock right now. I've never been so lucky, and we're not even halfway through. Unbelievable. Again, I can't say if it. We have got some super rare cards today. I can't be greedy anymore. Unbelievable. Barascoot. I need to start making some decks. Like, in the last month, I think I went on TCGO and I deleted, like, all decks that I had because Drapion V, another one that I do not have in real life, actually. We are doing so well! So well. Zera, halfway through, and what a 50 pack it has been to this point. Debatable. Love it. Love that card. Okay, halfway through exactly. Are you kidding me? We doubled on a rainbow rare. Well, I guess I can trade it. What is going on? This is like, shout out if you've made it this far in the video, because these videos they're not the most popular ones that I do, but I appreciate you watching these videos. I appreciate you watching any of my videos. That was the first Beedrill we've got. Cool. Unbelievable. Unbelievable. Still no Pikachu. But again, I'm not complaining, it's just an observation. Oh, first Whimsicott. Don't have the Hollow Zekrom either. I know we just pulled the reverse. I even forgot. There's a Hollow Zapdos in this set? I didn't even know that. Oof, strong. Love Zapdos. Team Instinct. You know when these sets are so big, you just forget what's in it. I've opened a lot. Aegislash VMAX. It's not the full art, like this is just, they are textured, VMAX cards are textured and part of the main set, which I always think is very interesting, but it is what it is. Also at this point, looking forward to Shiny Star V set. We don't usually like indulge in Japanese sets in this house, but we're making an exception for Shiny Star V, and it's out in like a couple days while I'm recording this video. And oh my, Togekiss VMAX as well. Again, textured but part of the main set. Unbelievable. Yes, Shiny Star V is looking really good. Obviously, big shiny hunter. There's a lot of shiny cards in that set. Shiny Pokemon cards that I'm like, oh, I really gotta have it. Still haven't made up my mind if I'm going to do an opening on the channel, but it's still a very exciting set. A full art Opal, of course, yes. A lot of people like, oh, I don't want to pull the full art Opal. Feel a bit bad for Opal, but here she is. Yeah. Again, can't complain about anything in this opening anymore. This is the best opening I have ever done. Orbital VMAX! Is TCGO broken today? Like, what is going on? Have I broken this game? Because this is insane. I've lost track of how many hits I've had at this point. What is going on? Fortress? Okay, that was the first one we got. 33 packs left. I guess we gotta at least hope to get Pikachu. I do like Gigantamax Pikachu. I've never been a big Pikachu fan, but little chunky Pikachu, it's quite cute and funny. 30 packs left. No Celebi or Zarude, and we've only had one amazing rare, which is quite interesting. Odds are that wouldn't happen. I think there's like something like 8 or 10 amazing rares, and that is quite surprising because they're usually in the reverse slot, and you can pull them. There we go, another Ampharos. You can pull them in the same pack as a V card or whatever. It is possible. I have seen it happen. And the fact that we've only pulled one so far is because they're about the same rarity as a break, we think. Like, there we go, there's Charizard. Yeah, interesting that we've only pulled one at this point. So for the amazing rare name, then they're not they're not I don't know why they called them amazing rares, really. There could have been a different name from, like, colourful card, because they're very colourful. Oh, not pulling anything new, but I'm not complaining because we've done really, really well. I am definitely recording this, right? Another Orbital V. I mean, not complaining, but it would be nice to have, you know, the Zarude, because we haven't pulled that one yet. Electric. Oh, that was new. I mean, we got the reverse, I think. Again, the whole marking a reverse card as new in there. There we go, a Colossal V. That's a new hit. Don't have the VMAX yet, do we? But that's still good. That's still good. We've got 17 packs left. Another Ampharos. Okay. Okay. Ooh. I don't even think I have a Manectric in real life. Oh, there we go. There's Exploud, which is new. Get another amazing rare. That would be quite nice. A Celebi. Let's have a Celebi and a Zarude. Celebi and Zarude in the same pack. That would be... There we go. A Colossal VMAX. Textured, but part of the set. Not of the lot. So, that's insane. 330 HP, man. The power creep is unbelievable. Absolutely insane. Coming down to the last 10 packs. Are we gonna get any more hits? Amazing rare Raikou. Very, very pretty card. Speaking's better though. And a Beedrill. So we do get another amazing rare. Which, still statistically, I would have thought we would have got a couple more. And again, statistically, to pull both the shiny Pokemon is... Honestly, I've got no words. Ooh, 7. Lucky 7 packs left. Okay. So yeah, that was quite lucky. There we go, another one. Galarian Darmanitan V, that's our first one, number 36. Not a big fan of Galarian Darmanitan, but still, a hit is a hit. A full art Galarian Surfetched V. This is the best opening I've ever done. What is going on? What is going on? Wow, I think I need to go for a lie down after this. This is insane. Couple packs left. Are we gonna sneak in one more hit? Ooh. Another amazing rare Raikou. And that was our first Mudsdale. Okay, this is our final pack. Fingers crossed, but don't. Well, this is either going to be a reverse rare or a amazing rare. A reverse rare Alchemy and a Vaporeon. So we didn't get any more hits, but breathe. We got a lot of holos, but we'll just look at the big hits. The rest will be all day. 2 Orbital V, 1 Orbital VMAX, the Galarian Darmanitan V, 3 Ampharos V. What else do we have here? A Colossal V, a Colossal VMAX, a Drapion V, a Aegislash VMAX, a Galarian Surfetch V, an Aegislash V full art, the Surfetch full art as well, 2 Rainbow Orbital V, the shiny Galarian Obstagoon, and the shiny Oranguru. And not forgetting trainers, we also managed a full art beauty, a full art opal, and a gold heroes medal. I don't think I'm ever going to be able to top another TCGO opening because, wow. Let me know in the comments what you think the best card is that I pulled today. Not necessarily the rarest, just the one you like the most. Oh, and I forgot to mention the amazing rares as well. We got the Raikou and the Zacian, didn't we? Wherever that went. It's rainbowy, I know that much. But yes, let me know in the comments what your favourite card is that I pulled, and if you've had any decent hits lately in the Pokemon trading card game, physically or digitally. Don't mind, I'm curious to know. And as always, if you've liked this video, press the like button, share with your friends, and if you haven't already, press the subscribe button for more Pokemon videos. I'll see you guys next time.